welcome back. Hey, come on in, y'all, because I want to show you how to make the world's easiest 3-ingredient coleslaw. Our head of cabbage, cored it out, and rinsed it under cold water to wash it really well. And that's important, guys. Always rinse your cabbage, okay? What you want to do is you want to break this down. All right, now, once you get it chopped to the size that you want it, I like it like this. See that? And I know that might seem a little bit large of a chop when you get commercially made coleslaw. You know, you bite in the tub. I know it's broken way down. I just don't like it that way. I've gotten to where you guys that when it's like that, I don't even like it. I don't buy it that way. I just would rather make it at home. So, into our bowl goes all of our beautiful cabbage. Into that is going to go and of course we're in the South, so Duke's mayonnaise. All right, and we have quite a bit in here, so we're going to use a couple of good spoonfuls of that to start. Okay, remember I told you, you got to go by taste on this, okay? And then we're going to start with a ½ teaspoon of salt and several grinds of fresh cracked pepper. I like mine with a lot of pepper, so you adjust as you like it, okay? And just gonna start with just a few drips, about a tablespoon of milk, just regular milk. And we're just gonna keep folding that over to see if we need to add any more of our ingredients. See how creamy that is? And we did not even have to use that much mayo. Look how gorgeous. Ready for a taste test. All right, we gotta check for the seasonings. That's good. It is ready. Guess what? The best coleslaw for dressing your hot dogs or your bratwurst, which we're gonna do. So you guys are gonna have to check that video out. Beer braised bratwurst. That's going to be coming up for you too. So guys, if you like this, leave me a comment, send me a little like on that, will ya? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see this and all the other videos we're uploading for you each and every week. And we appreciate that support, you guys. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.